So, tinag ako sa post ni Robin Setias, guys. Yung sinabi niya dito na, if you love someone too much, they get overwhelmed. That's why even though you have pure intentions, you still have to play the game, unfortunately. Okay, mga kings and queens, quick thoughts. Let's go. Actually, guys, nasabi na ni Soy yan, 2022 pa lang yata, or 2023. Na-discuss na rin ni Josh on point yan, yung about sa playing the game. Learn to play the game, etc. And now, si Rob nag-post din ito. But, if you've been watching my video since 2023, you know that I do not agree with this point. But this is not to step down on these content creators, but this is like a moose perspective. Sa pananaw ko kasi, playing the game, quote and unquote, is like being in that inner circle. Intindihan nyo? So sa akin naman, I'm encouraging people to go out of that circle and have a wider perspective in terms of love. So okay, I think magiging mahabang usapin to. Kuha ka popcorn mo. I'll break it down for you. The reason why I don't tell people to play the game and encourage people to play the game is because I think there's no need for that. Ang pinakakailangan mo lang is self-love, self-worth, and self-respect. O, yan na naman, Moose. Okay, here we go. So, before Kay came into my life, marami akong nakadate at nakausap na babae. From dating apps, etc. And marami din sa mga nakausap ko knows how to play. They do the push and pull method, they do the mirroring method. Kumbaga, kung kailan ka lang mag-chat, tsaka lang sila mag-chat. Kung ano yung energy na binibigay mo, yun lang din yung ibabalik. Yung mawawala ng matagal, tapos babalik, yung mga ganyan. But because I've learned to love myself, value myself, and respect myself, walang tumalab dun sa akin. What do I mean? I easily detach to people who I feel like they're playing. Hindi ko alam kung may mga dati ako nakausap na nakafollow sa TikTok ko. Dati ko naka-date na nakafollow pa rin sa TikTok ko. I don't know if they're still out here, no? Looking for what they missed out on. Wow, yabang mo. Hindi, pero totoo. That's really how I look at it. Kasi ako, kung paano ko tignan yung sarili ko, ladies and gentlemen, alam ko I'm a catch. I'm a great catch. And if you missed out on me, that's your loss, not mine. Marunong kasi ako magmahal. Basic na lang yun. But what I can assure to the person who I'm going to love at that moment that I was dating is I can give you the best kind of treatment and the best kind of love you never experienced yet. Ganun ako ka-confident sa sarili ko. And because of that, mataas yung standards ko. So, play a little game with me, you're done. Pinaghihintay mo ako palagi ng 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours before you reply to me. If I see that pattern, you're done. Detach. Ginost mo ako, you're done. Detach. Kapag bumalik ka, I'm not gonna entertain you anymore. Or kahit hindi ginost, yung bigla na lang nawawala. Yung mga ganun, yung bigla nawawala, ang tagal na ilang araw na hindi mag-chat, tapos bigla mag-chat ulit na sorry, busy ako. Nah, you're done. For as long as I see a pattern that you're not taking it seriously with me, then you're done. Hindi ako yung tipo nung nagsistay pa ako, checking if something is going to change. Paano kaya pag trinato ko ng mas better to, baka magbago yung treatment sa akin. Ito, hindi na ako nagbabakasakali ng ganun. Once I felt disrespected, I'm out. At hindi ka na makakabalik sa buhay ko. So I did not play the game to find what I'm looking for. But what I did was I loved myself so much, I value myself so much, and I have respect for myself that much na hindi ako magsisettle sa mga ganong klaseng bagay. Yung mga ganong kahit lapses na tawagin nila, I won't settle for those things. Isa pa, if I don't like how your mind works or how you think, you're done. Kapag nananalamin ako, ang sinasabi ko palagi sa sarili ko, I am proud of you. Kung gaano kalayo na yung narating natin. And because that's a fact, na ang layo na ng narating natin, we are not just going to settle for love. So I didn't need to play the game. I had self-love, self-worth, and self-respect. I easily detach from people who plays, quote and unquote, because I know I can offer so much more. And I don't deserve receiving these inconsistencies from these people. Diba? Kahit gaano kaganda yan, kahit gaano kasarap kausap yan, as long as I felt disrespected, I feel like my pattern na they're not taking this conversation seriously, I'm out. See, I'm not desperate for love. I want love, but I'm never going to be desperate for it. Kaya nung dumating si Kay sa buhay ko and naging official kami, naging girlfriend ko siya, I am so proud that she is my girl. At dahil gusto ko pa dagdagan yung yabang ko, when I flexed Kay for the very first time in my IG, ang daming reacts and story replies na natanggap ko from the people who I used to talk to. They were watching. They were watching someone who they took for granted take someone seriously. Who they think na madadala nila sa paglalaro is with someone who's way better than them. So, ang pinakamalaking sampal ko sa mga tao na magaling daw maglaro ay hindi nyo ako nalaro at hindi ko kinailangan maglaro para mahanap yung matagal nyo nang hinahanap. Kaya hindi ko kailangan lumaro, ang pag-ibig ay malinis, 3 na baho, 6 straight yard. Pero sige, bago kayo end yung video, to all those people na watching this, na umabot kayo sa puntong to ng video na to, who tried to play the game, quote and unquote, subukan nyo naman yung way ko. Self-love, self-worth, and self-respect. Yun naman na subukan nyo. The Moose way of life. Tayo, saan galing yun? Moose way of life. Damn, really? That when you start to talk to someone, kapag meron silang pattern, sibat. If they make you feel uncomfortable, sibat. Detach, detach, detach. If they disrespect you in some sort or in any way, kahit maliit lang yan, sibat. So, hindi nyo kailangan itago yung pagiging genuine ninyo, kumbaga. Yung pure intentions na yan, hindi nyo kailangan itago yan. Pwede nyo ipakita yan. But once they disrespected you, or once they take you for granted in any kind of feeling na maiparamdam nila yun sa inyo, sibat. Detach, detach, detach. Kasi ang lagi mo lang naman ipapaalala sa sarili mo is, this person doesn't deserve my love. Sa sobrang dami ng tao sa mundo, yung makakakuha sa akin ng pinakaswerte. Kasi kahit ako, nung pumasok ako sa buhay ni Kay, yun din ang pinaramdam ko sa kanya. That being with me is an experience you will never ever forget and you're never had yet. Yung pag-ibig na kaya kong ibigay, hindi mo pa nararanasan. So why would someone like me settle for someone who's just playing the game? So kung ganun mo natignan yung sarili mo, very good. Ibig sabihin lang nun kaya nating pangatawanan ang sariling standards natin. Mayabang, masyadong mataas, we don't give a fuck. Hindi mo ako abot, bye-bye. Nice.